Hello everybody and welcome to another Microsoft Word basic tutorials on ACOnetwork. And today I will be showing you how to create and save and reuse again and again and again document template without destroying the original. But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike and share. So let's start. So as you probably already know from my previous tutorial videos for Microsoft Word basics of this series, all these are templates. So basically you can reuse same document all over and over and over again without damaging the original. And for today's presentation I will be using this letter, which I created through several of my previous Microsoft Word videos, as template. So let's say I do not need to rewrite whole letter again and again and again for some other customers, let's say. So how to do it? It is practically easy, you know. First you need to save this document as a template. So let's click File, Save As, because we are saving this document as a template. Click Browse, and under Save As Type, click and select Word Template, which is extension .x. Click, and as you see, Word automatically switched to your own templates folder, which is in Documents, Custom Office Templates. Later on I will show you how to set specific folder for templates, not to use this default Word folder. Okay, and when you've done this, let's say we can change letter for customers template and just click Save. And basically if we open up Windows Explorer and we go to Documents, Custom Office Templates, we see letter for customers template.x. Here it is. And as you see already here it is .x. So now we can edit it, so we can prepare it so we can use it all over again and again and again. So first let's say I will delete these lines, press enter, so it is prepared for typing new name, surname and so on. I can remove Schwarzkopf because it will be on some another name, space. We are just preparing this document, and now when it is, let's say, all prepared, now I can just save it. We are saving directly to .x. And now when we close this document by clicking close, or if you are closing whole Word and reopening it however you want, you get here featured, which is all the templates that you can use that are already created, and personal, which is this letter that I created as a template. So when you double click on it, you get document 1, not a template. That is only because this is template which you can reuse it all over and over again. So we can just made up some name. And as you see, I changed the data for, let's say, dear Mr. Manovo. I made up some address and so on, and now we can save it. So when we click Save button, we automatically get like we just created a document. And that is the purpose of template. Now we can just click browse and let's say go to desktop and say letter to Mr. Tunis and just click save. And if I minimize this window, I get this. And let's say if I close this document, file, close, and I want to open up new document from the template, I will just click new, personal, and as you see, I get basics. And again, document 2, I can edit it, save it, and that's it. Another thing that I already said is how to change the position, folder position on your computer of these templates. Let's say you want it on desktop or you want it on C drive, D drive, wherever you want. So first, I will open up File Explorer. And let's go to C, and I want to make here new folder, Word templates, and I enter. I will just copy this path, C, Word templates. I will minimize, and now we need to go to options of Microsoft Word. To do this, we need to click File, we need Options to click, and inside here we need to click Save, and under Default Personal Templates Location, here we need to remove and we need to paste the path that I created. So when I click OK, this new setting is saved. So let's say if I close this document, open it again, under personal there is End Templates. Why? Because I changed a folder and template that we created before was in another folder. So if we, let's say, want to move all the templates from previous to new folder, it is very easy. You just need to go to previous folder of these templates that you've created, which is Documents, Custom Office Templates, or maybe in your case it would be something different. And just select all the documents, templates, cut it, go to Word templates or wherever you created that new folder for templates, and just paste it. And that's it. So when I close this window and reopen Microsoft Word, click Personal, you see template is back over here. And that was it for today. I hope you liked the video, that you learned something, and if you have any questions, don't forget to type everything below this video in comment section. But until next time, have a nice time and see ya. Bye bye. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.